Hey guys, what's up? How you all doing today? And how's trading? How was the day of Wednesday? Hope it went good for all. US was badly trashed and it went down, 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 down. Broke a couple of supports and God bless. It's gonna come back up. Don't worry. Take your seats on and just wait for the right edge to trigger and it's gonna move back up. So, guys, today's video is gonna be on Hikanashi because a lot of friends knocked on and they didn't know like how to use Hikanashi. A couple of them didn't even know like what's it, like it's an indicator or like it's a template, like what is it? Like, guys, Hikanashi is basically a candlestick pattern and which is highly used in Japan and which was used in Japan a long time back, years and years back, but it is still being used by a couple of banks in Japan in today's day as well. Hikanashi is built by this guy named as Munehisa Huma. Yes, Munehisa Huma was one of the Japanese guy, and he built this candlestick pattern, and it's very beautiful. So let me show you guys like how it works, and it's very simple, very simple. So here we go. This is my naked forex chart, and my bullish candles are blue and bearish are yellow. So here is the Hikanashi, just gonna drag and drop, and I'm gonna keep the colors as is. For the bear is gonna be red, for bullish is gonna be white. So candlestick body is gonna be red again for the bear, and for the bullish is gonna be white again. So I just take it okay, and here we go. I'm just gonna zoom out, and you're gonna see just like some of the red and some of the white colors. So if I zoom in, so you better understand the difference, like what's happening. So just to give you guys clarity, like first of all, what it does, guys, Hikanashi breaks the noise. It gives you less noise, and it exactly tells you that when the buy momentum has got over and when the sell momentum has started, so what it does, it reduces the noise and it gives you fakes, removes you from the fake signals, and it gives you a perfect confirmation that when is the time to buy. So here you can see that this is the yellow candle which shows you the trend for short on H4. Okay, so here we get a red Hikanashi candle body, and it tells you that yes, that the signal is now for shorting, and here it went down. So now the next candle you see over here, it's a blue candle. That means that if you didn't have Hikanashi, so you're gonna think that okay, so now the trend has changed, so now it's gonna move on, it's gonna go by, it's gonna go long, right? But no, that's not the thing, because Hikanashi gave you a red candlestick candle over here, and it still told you that guys, hold your position on, just don't move on, don't take the buy trade, because still it's gonna go sell or it's gonna go down, it's not gonna go buy. But here it went back to the red candle again of Hikanashi. Here red, here white, here red, and then it gave you a white over here, and then it gave you a white. It told you that yes, now the trend is going to go for long. You can take your buy positions. The reason is because this candle, the blue candle, has the body broken than the previous candles, so it's a good bullish candle comparing to the previous ones. So it gave you a signal that yes, now the trend has changed and it's gonna go by. So guys, if you see over here, if you guys really make it zoom out, and you see it reduces fake signals, right? Though you get many, sometimes you get like yellow blue, a range bound market, but Hikanashi tells you that just don't close your trade, or just keep your trades on hold, because anything can happen. Like over here, see, it was yellow, and then there was a big blue candle, but Hikanashi still told you that, see the body of Hikanashi, the red body from inside. This is like the body is very small. It's like of 72 to 100 points approximate, but it still told you that hold your position on, because now still the trend is for sell. And here you can see the body of Hikanashi from inside is just a small minus, a very small minus. So over here it told you that the trend is very weak now for sell. So the next candle gives you white. So over here the candle is yellow. Of my chart, of my naked forex, my chart candle is yellow, but Hikanashi gave you white, and Hikanashi told you that now the trend has changed and it's gonna go up. And then see what happens. It goes approximately 500 to 600 points over here, and then the marker is range bound, and like Hikanashi gives you a perfect signal in short, and it breaks the noise, and it exactly tells you what's gonna happen. And like over here, let's see over here, I'm gonna give you an example over here, a perfect example. See over here, what happened is it was going short, 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 and there was one candle over here, and anyone can think that okay, so now the trend has changed, gonna go by. But what happened over here? It went down, kept going down over here, and there was a very small yellow candle, and anyone could have taken this a buy over here that the trend has changed, it has reversed, but nothing happened like that over here. The Hikanashi gave you red as well, and then what happened again? The Hikanashi was correct. Hikanashi knew that's still gonna go down, and yes, it went down. And now here is a big bullish candle, and Hikanashi gave you bullish as well, and then the market went in range bound. But then it was a bullish trend because the market came up almost like more than like 2,000 points. So there are many such examples, many examples over here. Let's see over here. This is gonna be a very beautiful example over here. So the market kept falling. It gave you a couple of blue candles, but Hikanashi kept giving you red. And here it was white because there was a confusion by Hikanashi. But then, of course, guys, there are no indicators or no candlestick patterns, or nothing is 100% perfect in forex. There are 80% to or 10% to 20% of noise in every indicator and in every sort of template or whatever, because forex is always unpredicted. So over here, but then it gave you back a bearish signal and kept going down, 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 and here again there was a confusion, but then it kept going down. But you can see all this while over here, Hikanashi was more than 95% accurate, and then here it gave you a big bullish candle, but then Hikanashi, it gave you a stinger that hey, let's hold on, let's get a confirmation. So once this second candle came up with a big white body inside it, Hikanashi gave you a perfect signal that's buy, and then you take a big roller coaster ride for almost 6,300 points. So guys, that's it. It's not a big rocket science. Hikanashi is a very beautiful candlestick Japanese pattern. What it does is a very simple philosophy. It breaks down the noise. It just cuts the noise, and it tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell. You drop this Japanese candlestick patterns on your naked charts, and that's it. Candles come above the candles. Hikanashi candles come above your forex candles of your MT4 candles, and it starts doing its job, and it doesn't require an auto trading and all these things. So that's it, guys. Hope the video was clear enough, and the doubt is clear, like what Hikanashi is and what it does. It's a very simple candlestick pattern, and I hope it's clear. So if you guys need to know anything more about Hikanashi, or is there any confusion, so just like blindly drop me at ForexNawaab@gmail.com, or blindly drop me a WhatsApp. I'm available 24/7. I'm there to support. That'll clear your doubts, and that's it. Stay blessed, guys, and have a good day, and happy trading. Bye bye.